In 1948, aged just 19, Audrey Hepburn made her first professional appearance as a chorus girl in a revue high-bottom shoes in London. The lead dancer in the show later commented on her appearance. She had one skirt, one blouse, one pair of shoes and a beret, but she had 14 scarves. What she did with them week by week, you wouldn't believe. I was surprised to find this tie in Audrey's inventory of scarf styles. The strong vertical line of this tie makes a bold statement. For a softer, gentler look, try an oblong scarf. Fold it like this for an interesting detail at the neckline. Audrey Hepburn knew that a well-chosen accessory could highlight a facial feature or extend the neckline. We see her wearing small silk scarves knotted under her chin, both on and off the camera. This wool scarf is Helmets and Gauntlets by Givenchy. We can see that Audrey wore it a lot. Surprisingly, I couldn't find any picture of Audrey wearing a Hermes scarf. Audrey Hepburn's accessory complemented the simplicity of her outfits. She said, "When I wear a silk scarf, I never feel so definitely like a woman, a beautiful woman." Audrey never saw herself as a fashion symbol, but made us believe elegance could be within our reach. "My look is attainable," she said. "Women can look like Audrey Hepburn by flipping out their hair, buying the large sunglasses, and the little sleeveless dress." Though there are exceptions, Audrey mostly chose to wear petite-sized scarves on her head. tied securely with a double knot. Those are perfect if you are in a hurry. And don't leave home without the sunglasses. A wool scarf. Who knew they could be so effective? Audrey did. The tie-back headscarf is probably the one we associate Audrey with the most. She appeared to tie them quite tightly, so I followed her example. Place your knot at the side for a little extra flourish. It has been said that Audrey's Givenchy dress in Breakfast at Tiffany's was a defining look of the 20th century. We can try to make her look attainable with minimum jewelry and a hat and scarf for a little elegance and sophistication. You'll be the center stage with this. There is a modern-day postscript to the Audrey Hepburn scarf story. In late 1962, a schoolgirl wrote to Audrey from her home in England. Linda Barnes was 13 years old at the time and had been a fan of Audrey since she first saw her in the film Roman Holiday. Linda's letter was forwarded on to Audrey, who replied with a handwritten note together with photographs and a silk scarf. Audrey's charming letter, sent to Linda when she was a child, is well preserved, considering it is now nearly 60 years old. They remained in her possession for 56 years until they were put up for auction in 2019. All the proceeds of the sale were donated to UNICEF, which Audrey supported from the early 1950s. I'd like to thank the friend for all the great ideas in preparation of this video, for all his help and these beautiful, beautiful pictures. Thank you.